I bet you $100 wig ain't doing this. I bet you it ain't. Well, hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl, Kie RaShon. Today's video is brought to you by Nadula Hair. They sent me another unit to try for you guys. And do y'all see the hair on me? Huh? Do you see the hair on me? $100. Run. But before you do, come back, hold on. Make sure you watch how I got this wig from A to Slay, because you want to see this first. Watch, then buy. As always, if you're new to the channel, make sure you go ahead and subscribe and hit the notification bell so you don't miss anything else coming up. Also give this video a thumbs up if you want to see more videos like this in the future. Let's go. Oh my God, my mic wasn't on. Oh my goodness. Let me talk about what I just did. So like I said, this unit comes to us from Nadula Hair. All the specs of my unit as well as the products that I'm using in today's video will be listed down below in my description box. So if you want to check anything out, you can. It is a 7x5 no slip cap kinky curly finger coil unit. The finger coils are added to the wig so they will not stay in the wig once you wash it. This unit does come with a thinner elastic band, the silicone nape grip around the back, as well as the comb in the back and the Invisi drawstring to tighten your wig down to your head. My head is 23 gang and this wig does fit down perfectly. I tightened it down with the drawstring and now here we are. I did brush out my curls after the wash. So right now I'm just cutting the ends on my wig just to make sure they are even or where I need them to be as far as the shape is concerned, the shape that I'm going for. You can kind of see like the hair that kind of sticks out. I don't want that, okay? Because when I curl it, it's going to be a little janky. I want to make sure my ends are good, okay? So that's why I'm just cutting some of that off. I did use my Black Radiance contour palette in the shade medium to dark to tint my lace. I use a mixture of the contour and sculpt color, and I put that all around my lace, just the front, because I don't need it in the middle because I don't think I'm gonna have any type of parting space. I think I'm gonna wear it kind of like full out. This is how we're looking now that I pulled some hair out this unit. It is necessary because I don't feel like this unit was plucked at all. I feel like the hair was just kind of put in there with a little bit of sparse pieces, but not really any naturalness going on. Bring back the hairlines, okay? I know I didn't really care for the baby hairs. They were a little bit too much, but also the hairline, you took that away too. Let's bring that back. Perfect what we already have. I need the hairline, okay? But anywho, let me go ahead and mold my hairline down. So I'm gonna use my Nairobi mousse as always to do that. Make sure it's not gonna drip down my face. Swirl it up, swirl it up. This kind of helps naturalize the hairline as well as open up that hairline so it isn't so clumpy or clumped together. I cannot believe my mic wasn't on. I'm sitting here looking at it too, wondering why it's not moving. Girl, because you didn't turn it on. Shame, shame, shame. I don't wanna go to Mexico no more. Wrap it down. Whoa. I'm gonna use my Shea Moisture to get my curls right. Bring this out here. Hold up. Got a little frizzy right there. You see that on the end? Yeah, get that off of there. Get that off of there. Could I do a side part? I mean, I could, potentially. Just like a little flip over situation. Do it in 5 sections, I think, based on how thick the hair is now. I'm not gonna wet the hair again. I'm just gonna go right in with the mousse. Work that all in. I did get some shedding during the wash, but no tangles. The hair reacted to the water really well. And then with my moisturizing shampoo and conditioner, even better. Make sure you're using moisturizing products on your wigs. Okay, clump some of the ends. Actually, I'll do 6 sections. Let's do 6, 3 on each side. Now for the more affordable wigs, y'all know I practice low manipulation. I mean, I do that with all my wigs, but especially for the more affordable ones, the ones I consider to be fast fashion, you know, I say that as a joke, but you know, but yeah, the ones I consider to be more affordable, you don't got to keep doing a lot of work to them because it's real hair, but it's not real hair, like it's not growing out of your scalp. Once you start to degrade that hair, that's pretty much it. There's really no bouncing it back. So I like to practice low manipulation with my wigs just to make sure, or just to lengthen the lifespan of said wig. Usually these wigs can last about 12 months depending on your care routine. Mine lasts longer, years on years. I'm adding some coils in here. I don't want it to be too stringy, you know, wrap, 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 wrap it up. Same thing back here. Make sure I get my back as well. The back is always forgotten and then it'll be looking crazy. I am getting some shedding as I'm pulling on this hair. So be mindful of that. You may get shedding with yours as well. With this being 180% density, it shouldn't cause any gaps or bald spots though. But as always, still be careful. Comb that down like that. I don't want my ends to be stringy, so that's why I'm coiling the hair with my fingers. Just a finger. It's coming out so pretty. Once you wash the wig and let it dry, this part doesn't take that long. My installs normally take longer to dry when the hair is wet, and then I go in with the mousse because it's like double moisture. So let your hair dry down and then use your mousse. I promise the drying process will go a lot faster. Make sure my ends are not stringy or crimp looking, because that'll make the curls look a lot frizzier and less defined. Look at those curls. Juicy, juicy. I gotta do 4 sections over here. I just gotta make sure this is right. This is all personal preference. You don't have to do any of this. You can just add your mousse and go on about your business. I just want my curls, or I want to try to get my curls to look a certain way, because the more definition you have, the longer your curls will last and the longer you can wear your wig without redefining them, which again will increase the lifespan of your unit. So all this is for a purpose. Almost done. I used too much mousse in that section. Get the root, get the root. Let me clip this up, get my diffuser, and we will start diffusing this hair. I still can't find my pick. I have 2 picks. I know my son. I know my son was in here. Let's just use our wide tooth comb. Comb up. Let me go under. Ooh, not my kitchen. Out, out. Looking good. Let me take off these clips so I can see the lift. Bring this up. Bring this back. This up. And up. Uh-oh, I lost one of my curls. Let me get off my band real quick. It's not glued down, it's just molded. Let's brush some of those back. Again, it's a closure wig, so you're not getting full coverage on your sides. Hold this hair up in the front. Oof. Use it around the wig, just kind of hold the curl the way that I want. Scrunch, scrunch, scrunch. Just keep fluffing until I'm happy with the look. Use a little bit of my foundation color on top of my lace. I'm gonna take a bobby pin and kind of hold that back a bit, if I can find one. Here we go. Y'all see how good this looks? How it blends in with my hairline? Even though it's only a closure, the lace is right there. Right there. But my edges blend with it fairly nicely. Hold this back like so. And we are done. Okay, y'all, so here's the final look. Listen, I bet you $100 wig ain't doing this. I bet you it ain't. I used to think that 16 inches was too short for me. Liar! This looks great. I am in love with this wig, especially for that price point. You can't beat the price point, not even at Stepford. And it's still glueless. Okay, no glue around my hairline whatsoever. That's just the mousse. Messed up my hairline a bit. And the curl definition is on point. Y'all see it? Both sides. Now this wig will lose its definition over time, but I can still spot check where I need to. Watch my wig update playlist. I show you guys how to do that. I'm not gonna sit up here and harp on the unit because you know, you see what I'm coming with. Get that card immediately. Immediately. I want you to go and get the wig right now. And Nadula, I want you to keep the same energy, okay? Okay, out the box, keep the same energy. Do y'all see the curls and the bounce? Get your products, okay? If you don't have the products that I have, what we doing? You can't tell me you did exactly what I did and then didn't use the same products. I can only talk about how my wig looked based on what I used and what I did, okay? I can't talk about nothing else. I love this. I feel so pretty. But that's all I got for you guys today. Shout out one more time to Nadula Hair for sending me this unit. I really appreciate it. I will put the direct link, my specs, and the coupon code for this unit down below, so if you guys want to check it out, you can. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share this video. Also smash the notification bell so you don't miss anything else coming up. I love you guys so much, and I will see you next time. Bye.